Hi friends, so today I'm delighted to share with you one of my favorite recipe, Nigerian chin. So chin is a popular West African snack enjoyed during celebration and gatherings. Hello guys, welcome back to Blessing's Kitchen. So for today's recipe, we need 500 grams flour, sugar, butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, salt, and 1.5 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a vegetable oil for frying or for greasing. In a large bowl, let's stick together the dry ingredients: the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section where you're watching from, and share your thoughts with us today about this recipe. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's combine our butter with the dry ingredients. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my finger to combine this together. So I have here vanilla extract, so I'm just going to combine this with the eggs and mix this properly, and then pour it into the mixture. Tell us your chin stories today and how it turned out, or any modifications you made, in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear from you. So now let's gradually add in the milk until your dough forms. So this point is important because you don't want a liquidy dough. You could also transfer the dough onto a floured surface and knead until smooth. Let's roll out the dough and cut into desired shapes using a knife or cookie cutter. Place the dough onto the greased baking sheet and bake in the preheat oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Or you could also fry this using your vegetable oil until golden brown and crispy, and remove from the oven and let it cool completely before serving, and enjoy your homemade chin. So yeah, you've learned how to make delicious Nigerian chin from scratch today. Try this recipe at home and share with your loved ones. And follow us on our social media for updates. That's it guys, your homemade chin. Thank you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed today's video, do sure to give it a thumbs up. and like and subscribe for more delicious recipe. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.